Hi YouTube, my name is Jay Brown. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you guys a fragrance and beauty haul. So if you love that kind of content, then please keep watching. So you guys, I said I was gonna stay out of Bath and Body Works and I did really well. I stayed out, but they recently put out a collection of fine fragrance mists that are dupes for high-end perfumes. And you guys, I had my heart set on at least two of them. So on Mother's Day, I went ahead and ordered just a few because I could not pass them by. And I am so glad that I did. Now, I would not be your good purse friend if I did not come back and let you guys know about these fragrances because y'all, they are everything to me. So this first one is called Pink Obsessed. And the fragrance notes are blushing jasmine, cashmere praline, and vanilla bourbon. You guys, when I smelled this, it was instant love, and it most definitely smelled like one of my most favorite fragrances right now, which is Valentino's Donna Born in Roma. You guys, this fragrance is spot on. I had to have it. I had to add it to my collection, and I have two versions of Donna Born in Roma right now. I have the original Donna Born in Roma, and this is in the 1.7 ounce size, I believe. And then I also have it in the Pink PP Special Edition. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I bought this because of the packaging. And this is the 3.3 ounce bottle. These perfumes are pretty pricey. They are not cheap. As you guys know from several of my What's in My Bag videos, I also have the travel size fragrance that I keep in my bags. But these are my favorite right now. This one is so good. It smells sweet. It does have a hint of fruitiness. It smells grown without smelling mature or old. It definitely has a vanilla base note, which I love. And so in the winter, I do tend to pair it with like vanilla based fragrances, whether it's any of my Bath and Body Works vanillas or Bare Vanilla from Victoria's Secret. In the summertime, I like to pair it with In the Clouds, and this has notes of berry skies and vanilla clouds, so it makes it even lighter and even fruitier. So I love this. It lasts all day. Honestly, this does not need any help. This one, the longevity, the wear, the projection, it's awesome. So it does not need any help me out. This one is good to go. This one, the Pink PP, I feel like it's not quite as strong. It definitely does not last as long as the original Born in Roma. This one has additional notes of like an orange or a citrus to it. Not super strong, but it's definitely like orange blossom. And I love that scent. So I will be wearing these two together for sure because I feel like this one needs a bit more longevity and just more of a boost. And so most of the time when I wear this, I do pair it with the original, just like maybe 1 to 2 sprays of the original and then like 4 sprays of this. But this week I tested it out and I wore these two together and it lasted all day. It smelled amazing and I did not have to pair it up with the original. I am super excited about this combination. I am definitely going to get a lot of wear out of this as we head into summer. And I personally feel like the Donna Born in Roma fragrance is year-round. So I just switch up whatever base I put under it, if I do a base at all, because I'm telling you, the original needs nothing. She's perfection. But these two, I cannot wait to wear them all year. So like I said, tested it out this week. Now this next one that I picked up, this one is called Covered in Roses. And the notes in this one, it includes ruby berries, sugared rosebuds, and blush amber. Y'all, okay, look here. Woo, Lord, Lord, Lord. This smells so good. And I'm going to tell y'all straight up, this is supposed to be a dupe for Perfumes de Marly Delina. I don't know if you own Delina. Delina is kind of controversial. She's been called overhyped, overdone. Too many people are wearing her. I don't come across a lot of folks that wear or know about Delina in real life, so it's fine for me. But Delina is expensive. One bottle of Delina is about $300. If you get lucky and catch it on sale, you might find it in the low twos, but it's an expensive perfume. This smells just like it. So again, this is covered in roses. And when my husband came home from work after I had already unboxed these, I sprayed some in the cap and I said, babe, what does this smell like? And I did it with both of those fragrance mists, honestly. He couldn't name which one. He didn't know the name of Donna Born Aroma, but he knows Delina. He loves when I wear Delina. So I let him smell this, and immediately he said, Delina, it's spot on, you guys. So I also have two Delinas. So this one is the original Delina. So there's three Delinas currently. There is the original Delina, there's Delina Exclusive, and then there's also Delina La Rose. Look at this bottle. It is so girly and feminine and sheer. Oh my God, I just love that. So typically I wear this one, you know, later on in the year, like September, October, through maybe about February, March, because it's a heavy fragrance. And I try not to wear this one to work because it's really strong and I don't want to have any issues, no complaints, no anything. Now this one is much lighter, more of a lighter aquatic notes with the traditional rose scent. These three may not be for you if you don't like rose notes in your fragrances or a strong rose note. I happen to love it, so it works for me. But how I will be wearing this, I will be pairing this with the Delina La Rose. I think that's going to be a great combination for spring and summer. I think they'll be just a good complement to each other. Lighter than the OG Delina and definitely lighter than the Exclusive, which I don't own. But I just wanted to share that. If you guys have been thinking about trying either Donna Born Aroma, I recommend picking up Pink Obsessed. If you've been thinking about Delina, but you don't want to commit to it, check out the Covered in Roses. I think these are great alternatives, affordable alternatives. And honestly, I did get 2 bottles of the Pink Obsessed, and that name is just appropriate for me anyway. Hello. I only got 1 of these, and I think I might get a backup. I'm trying to stop getting backups because, again, storage issues. But y'all, highly recommend these 2 others. This one is Viva Vanilla, and the notes include rich plum, glowing amber, and addictive vanilla. People are saying that this is supposed to be a dupe for Kayali Vanilla 28. I don't get that, honestly, but it is a nice vanilla. I love a good vanilla, and I'll rock them year round, but especially in the colder months. So I cannot wait to get into this later on this year. I kind of vanillaed myself out, so I'm trying to take a break from it. And then this one is If You Musk. And I do not remember the name of the fragrance it's supposed to be duping, but I will put that on the screen. The notes in this include iris, pink pepper, and airy musk. You guys, it smells good. It's a very light fragrance. It's a clean musk. It's very warm, and I will definitely enjoy this. You can wear this any time of year. I think this is a very easy to wear scent, inoffensive. It'd be good for work, and it will be a great layering item, which is why I'm going to keep it in my collection. Okay, you guys, so for the beauty portion of this haul, I did my first Dior order ever. My current favorite lip products is the Dior lip oil, or the lip glow oil, whatever they call it officially. But that's one of my favorites in the color Rosewood right now. I also have it in just the plain clear, and I love it. It's a very long lasting and thick lip oil. Stays on for a good while, even when I'm eating and drinking other things, and so I really enjoyed it. So I wanted to go ahead and pick up a few things from Dior because I saw that they had recently dropped some of their summer little collections of their color beauty products, and I wanted to give them a try. I already unboxed it and took everything out the package because ain't nobody got time for all that on camera, but this is how it came wrapped. This is the presentation in the box, but just imagine it's still in the actual packaging. In this little pouch, we have our samples, and then I picked up the Bronze Glow Blush, the Pink Lilac lip glow and the Bronze Glow lip glow, as well as one of their beautiful lipstick cases. Look at her. It's so cute. So it has Dior embossed in plastic. This one in particular is called Rose Mania, and it's so pretty. Yeah, so how Dior does it, they have special edition lipstick package or lipstick containers or holders that you can buy, and then you pick your own tube of lipstick to go inside. And they're packaged separately. So this comes by itself. Now the color I chose is called Pink Peony, and it's just a sheer light pink. So honestly, on me, because my lips are already super pigmented, it may look like my lips but better shade, or it may just kind of look like I'm not really wearing anything, which is fine. I think it's good for those days where you just want like a natural look. You don't want to be too overdone, especially if you have on like heavy eye makeup or heavy blush. I tend to do that. I'll kind of just pick one feature to super emphasize. So I love this package. And again, here's the swatch in Pink Peony. In this case, color is called Rose. Next to you guys, I love the lip oils, and I wanted to just add a few more to my collection. So this first one is Pink Lilac. I didn't want to get the lip balm. I wasn't too sure about that. I haven't tried their lip balms yet. And here it is swatched. So it's just going to be like just a clear, basically. But it's pretty. I like it. And then here is the Bronze Glow. And that one does come up a bit more pigmented on the hand. Let me see if I can swatch this lilac one better for you guys. Okay, so here are the swatches. This is the Bronze Glow, and this is the Pink Lilac, and this is the Pink Peony lipstick. So I look forward to using these. I love these. If I want to add a boost of color, you can always, pair it with a lip liner or top them or use them as a lipstick topper. But honestly, I like these for days where I'm just easy breezy and natural. And this is the Dior Bronze Glow blush. Y'all already know I love me a good blush. Please don't play with me in the blush, okay? Because for me, blush is not enough until it's too much. I am team too much blush. And I don't care what these young folks say. I'm still wearing my highlighter. And then I'll always do a little bit of bronzer to contour right in the cheek. Especially when you gain a little weight and your cheeks is puffy. You got to contour them things back down. You got to sculpt it out. But here is what the Bronze Glow looks like. That is beautiful. So here it is swatched. Let me make it a little bit darker. So that is the Bronze Glow swatch. You guys, that's going to be beautiful. Do you see that? It is definitely bronzy brown. This is, yeah, that's going to be nice, especially as I get a little bit more tan this summer. I used to have a blush similar to this from Mary Kay that was more copper than bronze, and it was my absolute favorite. So if you are a brown skin girl, I highly recommend checking this blush out. It is pricey, but sometimes you just got to splurge and treat yourself. There's other popular blushes. There's a really pretty pink one. I don't know the name of it, but I saw it on the website. It's a really pretty pink one. I didn't get that. And then they also have a really pretty pink lilac summer collection as well. But I didn't want the blush because from all of the swatches that I saw on other ladies doing reviews, they were all lighter skin tones than me. And it showed up really well on them. But the few black women that I saw swatching it didn't show up that well on them. And they were darker than me. I mean, it may have shown up, but I'm not about to pay $40 for a blush that's not going to show up. I'm not doing that. So I thought I might have something in my collection that would be close to the Dior Pink as well as the Dior Pink Lilac. And so I found this in my collection. This is Juvia's Place. This is Blush Volume 4, Blush Rouge Volume 4. I haven't used it yet, but this is what it looks like on the inside. You see this beautiful hot pink and a baby pink. And one thing about Juvia's Place, it's pigmented and it's affordable. So if you're looking for an alternative to the Dior blushes, I recommend this. So here are the swatches. This is the lighter pink, and you can see it's really, really light. And then here is that hot pink. That's gorgeous. But I just wanted to share that with y'all for anyone who's looking for a good pink blush, especially for women of color, and you don't want to spend $40 on a blush that may or may not show up on your skin. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Let me know, are you considering checking out any of these products? Seriously, if you don't get anything else from this video, check out that collection that's at Bath & Body